Hello.
Hello.
Thank you again. So the question for you with regards to the city of Solo or Surakarta in Indonesia. Solo has a rich history of rehabilitation services, and as a result, the city's residents have an inclusive mindset. So from your experience of advocacy and awareness in Solo, how can cities help create a culture of inclusion?
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. City of Surakarta or Solo for short is like a pioneer in rehabilitation center in Indonesia, particularly for person with mobility impairment, because in Portis there are like many casualties from Revolution for Independence. So one of the guy from Surakarta called Professor Suharto or Dr. Suharto established a rehabilitation center in Solo, and it's followed by other kind of rehabilitation center, and Solo become a center of rehabilitation in Indonesia. So many person with disability flock to Solo from throughout Indonesia to get rehabilitation, and their presence become visible in public life, and the citizen of Solo realize that it is just a normal life. It is just because in another city in Indonesia, maybe they think that this is like a PWD is like a curse or something, a witchcraft, something like that. Solo is just socially accepted by the community, and person with disability also create a demand for assistive technology, and in response, rehabilitation center conduct a course for assistive technologies, and the industry, particularly small and home industry of assistive technology, thriving there. And Solo become well known as City of Leg, because so many producer of prosthetic, so people know Solo as City of Leg, and this is also strengthened by the disabled person organization and our civil society organization to advocate for disability right. And in terms of the regulation, Solo has been quite progressive, as the city has established the regulation for PWDs, which ratified UN CRPD even before central government ratified it. So it's like more progressive than the central government. And while also had significant effort, there is a room for improvement, of course, particularly in implementation physical inclusive infrastructure. And at final point, we believe that creating inclusive city require everyone to be involved, and now inclusive ecosystem from cultural, community, regulation, and physical infrastructure aspect are highly crucial in shaping a more inclusive city. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Fantastic. Yeah, thank you. Great. Thanks very much. That was great. And we've got a little